All right, here we go. So we got this wall in. I'm gonna be coming back to do some more work up in the actual bed area. But for today, the wall is in all the way up. That's in. And then over here, we put the wall in. I put the wall in, and then I put down all this weed block here. This canvas that goes in. Highly recommend tucking it underneath the block. Highly recommend that. I'll be coming back next week to cut this down. We ran out of staples, so we'll be getting more staples to finish up the little spots. But for today, it's good, because in the upcoming weeks we'll be bringing in mulch, or mulch will be brought in and done. So, yep, highly satisfying job, very beneficial. Hard work, of course, but tools, basic tools, nothing crazy. Just yeah. I don't think there's anything else. Weed block, very good material. Highly recommend. Highly recommend. It looks like that. There's a difference between the weed blocks. Some weed block is kind of like a shiny-ish look. It looks more like a trash bag type material. I don't recommend that. Obviously, this stuff is a bit more expensive, but whatever fits your guys' budget. But in this case, it was worth it to get the more expensive, higher quality material. Definitely, once again, the benefit of the jumbo Belgian block: wider, shorter, it's more stable. You don't need to use concrete or anything to base it. So, yep, job complete. See ya.